Sunday, 11:42. Sunday, 11:42, 49 seconds. 2021 is the year, the 5th month, May, and the 9th day. We're gonna pop the head off the brother right here. Shit, brother needs a screwdriver already. Shit.
Sharp 6, the C sharp G. There's the F3 Baphomet, C sharp G.
Now the reason why we're going to pop the head off this is because it wouldn't start yesterday. After it had a full clean out,
Which would be the sharp 2.
full carburetor and gas tank clean out from the last time we mowed the grass. But we cleaned the head out before we mowed the grass in order to get the thing to start. Because she wouldn't start, he wouldn't start, she wouldn't start.
A sharp 6.
She would not start.
A sharp
She now. She would not start. Just before we're gonna use our special drill kit right here. Fits right inside the drill. So now we got air power instead of air powered wrench, air gun wrench, we got electric. We got Old Faithful right here around town. And we got Old Faithful propped up on the wood splitting stump right here. Because we like to split wood. Wrong size. Oop, that's for this one. Old Faithful right there. Oop, can't get the other one off that. This is the first time we've used this. We pulled this thing apart about 30 times already. The old-fashioned way. All the smag out of there. Now, after I pulled it apart again last night, unsuccessfully a start, which we got Dad's old oldie but goodie too.